Hey guys, we have an exciting new product out for you. This is the RideShock's front bump stop kit designed by AccuTune Off-Road. This is going to be a progressive foam bump stop. It has adjustable spacer heights. It's designed for factory or aftermarket coilovers, but most importantly, it's going to help you to fit tire sizes based on a chart that we provide in the instruction kit. What's great about this kit is that this foam does not just easily compress and bottom out hard. It is progressive, soft, comfortable, and it's going to help you fit different tires for more wheel travel, and it's the best bang for your buck for your vehicle. What's really cool about this kit was we have multiple colors offered for this upgrade. So if you're just starting out with an easy strut or you're going all the way up to coilovers, this is going to be a package that grows with you and is going to be adjustable based on your setup. What's really nice about that foam is it was designed proprietarily by us to be really progressive. So while other brands are using rubber that really compresses hard, or foam that compresses way too easily and then hits really hard on your suspension, what's nice about this is that as you compress it, it's getting progressively stiffer. So as you go through your suspension options, whether it's an entry-level kit, an expensive coilover, this is the best bang for your buck for your vehicle. The adjustable cup height is going to be controlled by the spaces that are included in this kit, so we can fit a wide variety of different tire sizes with the different suspension evolutions that your vehicle goes through. What's really nice about this design is that it's made of aluminum for the bump cup. Aluminum is not going to corrode. It's offered in different colors, so it can be a nice part of your suspension that fits in, or it can be one that stands out. We make sure that with this design, it's long lasting, it won't corrode, and it looks great for years to come. Make sure to check out our website, they're available now.